They don't stay here for years.
But they don't come out on every time here.
Recall that on February 2nd, 2024, the director of the FCTA administration's Development Control Department, Town Planner Mukhtar Galadima, had intimated traders along the N16 road corridor to vacate. This cleanup exercise is happening sequel to that warning. Galadima, who was represented by the Deputy Director of Monitoring and Enforcement, Asan Ogboli, says those who wish to operate markets should liaise with the municipal authorities to provide them with designated spaces.
Contract already been awarded for this project by the FCTA administration, but the contractor could not proceed, further due to constraints of illegal market is on this corridor, as well as some features, meaning structures. So as we can see, public toilets there, which is on the road corridor, as well as other encumbrances.
The FCTA Secretary of Command and Control Center, Dr. Peter Olumuji, says the proliferation of shanties is one of the factors fueling insecurity.
The reason why you have the presence of security personnel on ground as development control are carrying out the removal of illegalities and the rest here is because this is a volatile environment, an environment that harbors criminal elements and are ready to attack anybody, even preventing government from doing their job. So what the security agencies' presence is doing here is to ensure that there's peace and there's no breakdown of law and order.
Joy Igoche, ITV News.